Here I have SHARP Aquos R2, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can switch your hotspot here. You can change its name here. You can also select its security protocol here. You can change its password. And in the advanced, you can set it to turn off automatically if no one is connected. And you can also switch a portable hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.